So first we need to understand the scenario, what we are doing. So I'm going to show you demo on is displayed, is enabled, is selected methods. How to use them. So let me show you that. This is the website yesterday, whatever we have used. Okay.
8 plus 8.
Yeah. So you land in the home page, then navigate to register account page. And we have a radio button. We have a checkbox. So I just want to check whether this radio button is selected or not, whether this checkbox is checked or not. If it is checked, I want to uncheck that. If it is not checked, I want to check it. So these are the two scenarios we are going to handle here. Okay. So let's go and do the same. I'll write a different program. So I'll copy this and I'll reuse this code almost all. So copy and paste. We want to know till this navigating to register account link till this, and this also important. Wait for the page title. So later we don't need, but I can identify this. I will use that. Okay. Let me remove all these things. Okay. Now, so I'll identify first radio button. Radio button is selected or not. We can check it. So what are the radio buttons here? Yes or no radio button. So I'll just say no radio button. So driver dot find element. Just find out the CSS selector. So this one. So radio value 0. You can take the copy selector and I can use very big one. So I'll write my own, okay? I don't want this much big. I'll write it with the value 0, I'll write XPath. So let's write the XPath. See, it is recognizing that exactly. Take this, very simple, right? Our formulas only I have used. Even you can convert into CSS also, but let me write XPath. Right? I'm just identifying, that's it. Now, so I want to check if no radio button is selected. You can use this also. Is enabled. Then you can ask it is. So if it is already selected and it is enabled, you simply say that I will say not, okay, negation. So I'll put a negation. not selected only, you click on that. Element dot click method. That's it. Okay, so this is the one of the logic. Same you apply for the checkbox also. So what is the checkbox? Privacy policy checkbox. See input tag. So name is agree. I'll use the name locator. Privacy checkbox. So agree. That's it. Then if you want to uncheck the checkbox, maybe after some time. 3 seconds I'll give. Three is displayed, okay? Is displayed also I'll use. If it is already selected, one more time you click it, then it will uncheck. So our scenario is you want to uncheck. That's it. So this is the how to check the either radio button or button or checkbox. The logics are same. Okay. So is displayed, is enabled, is selected. So we're getting easy. All right, let's go run the program. Right? It's very fast, but that's why you have to keep this thread dot sleep. So that it will wait some time. Whether it is unchecked or not, you can observe that. Basically. See it checked, unchecked. That's it. Okay. So that's the how to check and uncheck the checkbox. Okay. So the next scenario is, so we didn't write these scenarios. Let me see. This scenario we haven't written, right? These automation scenarios. So let's go and write this program step by step. Google search a test case. Then we'll write the links example. New class. Google search test. So launch the browser, web driver. So driver equal to new Chrome driver. Then, so maximize the window driver dot. So manage dot timeouts method dot implicitly wait of. So duration dot of seconds. 10 seconds I'll give. Next. So launch open the application URL. Oh, we need to maximize, right? This is the implicit wait we added. So driver dot manage method dot window method dot maximize. Add implicit wait. So now open the application URL. So driver dot get https google.com. So step by step, you see that we verify the page title. Call all the browser methods. Let's call all the browser methods again, once again. So fetch the current page title. Let me write SYSO. Driver dot get title. Current is absolute URL. So current page window ID. So driver dot get window handle. All the window IDs. So this is all set collection, but still I can print it. Collection you can print directly, right? Get window handles. Yeah, so all the methods are called. So verify the page title. So how to verify the page title? So you have to write a explicit wait. WebDriver wait. So wait equal to new WebDriver wait. So driver comma. So the time duration dot of millisecond. Okay, so of millis. So I can put 15,000. That means basically I'm giving 15 seconds. It's up to you how much you want to give. So wait dot until expected conditions dot title is. So what is the title will be there for Google? Obviously you have a Google, right? See, this is the Google. You can find out even in the head tag. Next, what is the next step? The step is type the Selenium keyword in the edit box. So driver dot find element. So by dot name. So name value is, let's say Q. So you can see this address we need to find out. See, text area name equal to Q. So just take this. Dot send keys. So what you want to type? Selenium. See, once you typed here, do that action manually also. You're pressing the enter key. I want to press the enter key. So that means this is the search form, right? You're submitting. So you can write submit. Submit on the search edit box. So this is the one. Or you can do one more also. So send the enter key from keyboard. That also you're pressing the enter key, right? Basically, right? So that you can do. How can you do that? Send keys dot enter. Either this one or this one. Any one you take, okay? So I'll show you both of them. But I'm showing submit method also you can use because you're submitting the forms. You can use a send case method also. Whichever you want, you can use it. Next. So it will go to next page, right? When you see now Selenium Google search. Before it was only Google. Now Selenium Google search. So you need to get that title. Wait for that page title. So this is the one. So I'll write a wait for the page title. This one. Wait dot until expected conditions. So dot title contains. Let me use title contains. Next, I'll wait for the basically I'm looking for something here. Well, we used to get here the count. No, we're not getting count. Okay. Now we are not getting that. So generally, so you use to get here some count. I think now it has changed. Okay. So here you used to get a count. The count is not coming. Anyhow, fine. So let's click on this Selenium. Okay. Click on the Selenium. So it's a H3, but it's a link. Okay. So you can write the XPath. How to write XPath? See that. I'm going to write XPath. Click on Selenium link. You're not sure it's a link or a text. It's basically it's a text, right? So how I'm writing, let's see that. So click action. So by dot XPath, I'm writing // star square bracket text function equal to, so text dot click. So once you click on this, do manually, it will go to next page. So wait for this page title. Selenium page title. So wait dot until expected conditions dot title is okay. Next. So let's click on the downloads. The downloads also. You can get the XPath for this. So click on downloads tab. Downloads a menu item. Right, menu. So driver dot find element by dot XPath dot click. Next, wait for the page title. So wait dot until expected conditions dot title contains. So let's see what is the title if you go to next page. So the title is, go to downloads, get the title. This is the one. Now I'll just wait some time here. Let's sleep WebDriver for 2 seconds. I want to go to previous page. So navigate back to previous page. That means driver dot navigate method dot back method. So then I'll look for this page title. I'll wait for this page title. So then wait some time. So move to download space. How can you move? Driver dot. So navigate method dot forward method. Then wait for the space title. So I'm asserting. So when you're navigating, what is the title? So you're asserting that whether that page is displaying or not. Then driver dot close the browser. So this is the test case. One more important point was there, but we are not getting the count. Generally, we used to get the count. So when you type particular search keyword here, oh, we're getting here, but we are not getting in the normal browser. Why? Here we are not getting. Here we used to get a count, right? So let me open that. So I'll stop this. I won't close, okay? I won't close the browser, then we'll see that. I want to show that count. How can you get that count? And that's what I want to show you, basically. See? Okay, let it complete. So now I'll go back. Yeah, can you see here? This is the one I was talking. So here, there is some work you can do that. You can fetch this. You can wait for this element first. You can see that. You can wait for that element first. So it's a ID result stats. When you land in this page here, before clicking on the Selenium, you need to do that. So wait for the search results text. Count to text. So wait dot until expected conditions dot presence of element located. So by dot ID. So ID value. Okay, so this is the ID value. Then get the count to text. So how can you fetch that text? String count txt equal to, so driver dot find element. So by dot CSS selector, you can write hash ID value dot get text. I'm getting that text. Okay. Now I need to extract only this count. Only this count I want to extract it. How can you extract this? Basically, it's a value. Okay. Suppose this is the count text. So you got like this into the variable. Now, how can you get this value only? So observe that each word between there is a space. Based on the space, you split it. Split the string based on space delimiter. String array str equal to count txt dot split. So that's the space you give. So now what will happen? each word will store in this array. So now your array will become like this. str array will become like this. First about will come and store in the first place of the array. Next, second place, this one. So wherever space is there, the space will be before whatever the word is there, that word will be split from that string and stores here. Next, this one. Okay. So now see, we want this one, right? How can you get that? So 0 index. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you want this. So this array name of index 1 you have to give. So you will get that. So string count str equal to str of 1. You got that. Now you convert this into integer. So how can you convert? If you want print the value. So string format count to text. So count str. So convert the string into integer format. How can you do that? So you have to do like this. So int, maybe long, I'll use long count result count. So result count equal to so count str dot. So you have to replace this, right? This commas you have to replace. So we'll replace that. Okay, we'll replace replace all. Replace this comma with the empty one. But you have to give this entire thing in the long dot parse long. So that is the total. So now you will get the final string. Okay, so that's it. So let's see and run this program.